Welcome to Norwegian Woods, where everything is that dark, deep blue of the night sky. I feel like we're in a northern location and we're looking at the starry sky because we have a combination of the snow and the brilliance of the stars and a little bit of that nighttime wonder and elegance that we have for the Christmas Eve. And so in Norwegian Woods, we have several new ornaments for you to take a look at. This drop has a sister, so these are sold two assorted. There's this shape, and then we're going to come across the tree, and we have this one right here. And so the only difference is right here in the body. This one's round in the body, the other one has more of a triangular shape. These are two assorted, and they are 86492. Now, if you like that and you want to go ahead and extend that look a little bit and add a few more ornaments to your tree with the same look, I'm going to drop down here and show you this one. So see how it's got the same coloring in it in the glass ornament, but then it's got the gold glitter on the outside. These are sold in a set of three, a shape, a couple different shapes, and then the orb that you can mix in there. And those are 86489, a set of assorted three. I like this ornament. It's just beautiful. You know why? It reminds me of a peacock. And I don't know why, but it just seems like it's got little layered feathers there, that beautiful peacock blue color. I love that ornament. That's one that's going to be popular this year. And then a couple of ornaments that are really shooting to the top of our list are right here. And this is a mirrored glass with a kind of plaid swirl across the face of it. And that one is 86462, two assorted. And that's going to be in the orb shape and then the one that Brian is showing you right now. We have several small teardrops and we have several icicles on this tree that are really, really pretty. And they're a light blue icicle at 86732. And then we have some other icicles that are selling well in Norwegian Woods that are just a clear. Some of them have a glitter on the top of them, and some of them do not have that glitter and just a solid glass. And so these are the icicles that have a little bit of glitter and white on the tops of the icicle. They're a little bit different than the ones without. But the icicles are 87362 and 87363 if you're putting those in your virtual shopping cart. The white snowy owl is on our second designer tree here in Norwegian Woods. We have several owls and they're actually in three different sizes. The large ones are centered right here on our tree. We have a medium size that we have in a lantern across the showroom. And then we have these little guys and they're just kind of hanging from the branches, the little bitty owl. And that little owl ornament is doing very well this season. One of the things you'll notice about this tree are the stems. And the stems here have a little bit of a blue look, kind of like a blueberry, but they're on a stem. And then we have the small berries, like right here. And then we have the very large seed pods up there at the top. And those seed pods are gorgeous. And so those are just inserted into this tree. We kind of have that northern cold and icy feel to it. The branches that have the icicles hanging and dangling off them have a little bit of snow on the brown branch. And that completes our tree with our owls and our bird nest and our berries.